Come on. Ooh, no, 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 no. Ooh, no, 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 no. Ooh, no, 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 no. We walk through this life on different roads, carrying stories, carrying the loads. But when we meet, we're not alone. This world's our shelter, it's our home. No matter the colors, no matter the creed, we all have the same love, the same needs. From tents to palaces, we all belong. Together we're the rhythm in life's great song. One world, many hearts, a tapestry of love. We're all a part. Lift each other hand in hand, across every border, every land. The trees don't ask what skin we wear. The rivers flow, showing they care. The stars shine bright for every soul, lighting the way to make us whole. No matter the faith, no matter the name, our hearts beat steady, they're just the same. Through all our differences, we find the key, to harmony and diversity. One world, many hearts, a tapestry of love. We're all a part. Lift each other hand in hand, across every border, every land. Oh, let's build a world where kindness reigns, where love unites and fear refrains. We'll dance as one to life's sweet tune, under the sun and the silver moon. One world, many hearts, a tapestry of love. We're all a part. Lift each other hand in hand, across every border, every land. So here's to us, the great and small. In this vast world, there's room for all. We're stronger together, it's crystal clear. One world, many hearts, let's keep it near.